Hey guys, here is my UGREEN NAS DXP4800 Plus. When I try to transfer files from my hard disk to this UGREEN NAS, I am hearing some strange sound. I will show you. My phone is not picking up the sound, so I am going to use this mic to record the noise from the UGREEN NAS. You can hear the same from my iPhone also. If anyone has faced this sort of issues, please let me know the solution to reduce this noise while transferring files. It's my brand new UGREEN NAS, but I am hearing the sound while transferring the files only, not other times. So please do comment below if anyone knows the solution for this.